À tous de DDO, attention pour les deux comptes finales. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. À image P80, décollage.
They are off. The Mohammed VI Satellite is on its way. Vega number 11 is blazing a trail across the equatorial skies over the Guyana Space Center. He's telling us the propulsion is normal. We're heading direct north, out towards the Caribbean. We broke the sound barrier and reached Mach 1 after 30 seconds.
Acquisition de télémesure pour la station de Saint-Jean-du-Maroni.
Picking up the signal at the station in Saint-Jean-du-Maroni, which is here at the Space Center, or just outside it. We can hear the rumble of Vega reaching us. The job of the first three stages
La propulsion est normale, le pilotage est calme.
Is to get us away from the Earth. Vega is pushing itself away from gravity. And we need a lot of firepower to do that. We're burning the P80 first stage. P for premier étage. It's all going normally according to plan. Premier étage means first stage. 80 is the mass of propellant. Roughly, it's actually 89 tons. Bottom of the screen, our altitude on the left, 53 kilometers above Earth. Our distance is a straight line if you were to draw
Séparation P80.
A straight line from the pad.
Allumage Z23.
And here we are separating the first stage, it's burnt its fuel, and we've switched on now the second stage. The Z23
La propulsion est normale.
For about 1 minute and 40 seconds. Z for Zefiro, which is an Italian wind. A bit like the Sirocco or the Mistral. 23, because it burns 23 tons of solid propellant. Our speed on the bottom right, nearly 3 kilometers per second. Not per hour, per second. We're getting close now to what we call the Kármán line. That's 100 kilometers above Earth. We've just hit it. It's named after the Hungarian-American engineer, aerospace engineer, Theodor von Kármán, and it's the border with space. Basically, the higher you go, the thinner the atmosphere becomes, and the faster an aeroplane has to travel to stay up. Once you get into space, the air is too thin to support wings.
Pilotage est calme.
And top right-hand side is the trajectory, showing us the flight path, if you like, and the white cross is the actual position of the launch vehicle.
Séparation Z23.
Separation of the Z23. Ignition of the next stage coming up, the Z9. There it goes. And then we can expect the fairing, the nose of the vehicle, to fall away. So we no longer need the fairing because we are effectively in space. We don't have enough friction anymore to cause us any difficulties, so the satellite is safe to be exposed to space. Now, Vega is particularly well suited to launching Earth observation satellites. This is the 23rd one to travel on board this versatile light launcher. And there are 9 more in the order book. Over now to the manufacturer, Avio.